Hi guys, today we are doing a keto halwa. The ingredients for the same are: first, we have 70 grams of almond flour, 50 grams of desiccated coconut, ZEVIC stevia, clarified butter, that is desi ghee. I have some cardamom, and lastly some blanched almond for the dressing. First, in a pan we are going to add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. To that ghee we are going to add our almond flour, and to that we are going to add our desiccated coconut. Next, we're going to add our cardamom pods, and now mix the same until it turns slightly golden in color. And our almond flour and coconut, that's the desiccated coconut, are well done. So you can see they have turned really golden and looking really nice, and they're giving a excellent aroma. Now to this, the main ingredient goes, that's the boiling water. So I have used a kettle. You can also boil it over the gas. So I'm going to add half a cup of boiling water, or boiling water according to the consistency of the halwa you want. There you go. And now we're going to add the last ingredient, that's our ZEVIC stevia. So we all like medium sweet, that's why I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of the same, but you can add according to your desired taste. Our beautiful halwa is ready to go into a bowl, and our delicious keto halwa is ready. Now I have some blanched almond flakes. I'm going to top it up on my halwa. You can also add pistachio or any other nuts, but I like to keep it simple but delicious.